Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So after installing this update, that is KB5055523 on your Windows 11 computer, if you're facing this crash, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, first step, you can uninstall this update. So you can go to Windows Update and then go to Update History, and then scroll down. At the bottom you will see Uninstall Update. Click on it, and over here you will see this update KB5055523. In front of it you will see uninstall option, so you can click on uninstall, and let the uninstall complete. This process will take some time, and once the uninstall is complete, you have to restart your computer. So make sure that you restart your computer after this, and after the system restart, but let it uninstall first, then only restart. And after the system restart, go to Windows Update once again, and then over here you will see pause update option. So you can pause the update for maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, and once the update is paused, you can check you should not face that crash. And in future, whenever you want to resume the update, you can always click on resume updates and you can install future updates. That should fix the problem. For many users, uninstalling this SAP GUI 8.00 32-bit has worked. So you can uninstall 32-bit and you can install this 64-bit, and then you can check. So that should help you to fix the crash. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.